In this video, we're saying goodbye to 2025 while prepping for our last and largest market of the year. We focused on teamwork, family, and growth. I'll also give a recap of my 2025 sales. All that and more coming up. Welcome back, everyone. In this short video, we're diving into a quick but powerful recap of our 2025 performance and sharing with you what's coming in 2026 for our Bath & Body brand. If you love growth stories, product innovation, and a little behind the scenes strategy, you're in the right place. Please hit that subscribe and notification button to follow our journey.
Together on three. 1, 2, 3, together!
Let's start with the numbers. In 2025, our company saw steady, healthy growth across all major product categories. Our lip butters and body butters led the way, with sales increasing thanks to returning customers and a surge of new shoppers discovering us through social media. Our sales increased by 50% from 2024, coming in at $35,963. Of that, our wholesales was $4,937. Our online sales were $9,793. Our in-person markets brought in $13,069, and this also includes the new 3 retailers. Our Patreon, YouTube, and affiliates came in at $8,163. Our seasonal collections, especially the fall botanicals and holiday scents, sold out faster than expected. That told us something important. Customers want fresh, limited edition experiences that feel personal and gift-worthy. We also expanded into 3 new retail partners, which boosted our visibility, and this helped us reach customers who prefer to shop in-store rather than online. And speaking of online, our website traffic jumped significantly after we improved our product pages and added more customer reviews. But it wasn't all perfect. We learned a lot too. Some scents didn't perform as well as we hoped, and a few launches were delayed because of supply chain hiccups. Those challenges are going to help us shape how we're approaching 2026. Now, let's talk about the fun part. What's coming next? First, we're doubling down on customer-driven product development. This means more surveys, more testing groups, and more transparency about how we create our scents and formulas. You'll see products inspired directly by your feedback. Second, we're launching a brand new masculine product line. Think musk and spice fragrance blends and mood boosting mist. This is going to be designed to reach our more masculine focused customers. And third, we're improving sustainability across the board. In 2026, we're focusing more on recyclable packaging, more refill options, and cleaner ingredient lists without compromising that luxurious feel that you expect from us. We're also expanding our retail presence and strengthening our online experience with faster shipping, better bundle options, and a loyalty program that rewards you for every purchase. And this is currently in the works. And finally, we're investing heavily in content and community. Expect more behind the scenes videos, scent mixing sessions, customer spotlights, and creator collaborations. We want you to feel like you're a part of the brand, not just buying from it. So that's our quick look back at 2025 and a sneak peek into the big things coming in 2026. We want to thank you for being a part of our journey. Your support and feedback and your love for our products is what keeps us growing. If you're excited for what's next, hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss any updates. Here's to a beautiful and inspiring 2026. Thank you for joining. Until next time, bye everyone.